Is this the way to make Thar fly? This is not the way. Now I am going to show you how Thar will fly.
Bro, before you make the Thar fly, public wants a durability test.
Durability test.
Yes.
Durability test. Yeah. Vikram.
Yes, bro.
People modify Thar.
Yes, they do.
People take Thar into the snow.
Yes, they do.
People treat their Thar like a queen.
Correct.
But tell me, did anyone? Are you crazy, man? Please don't do that. Please don't do this. Stand back. So where was I?
Durability test.
Durability test. Has anyone done a durability test for the Thar? No. So we take this responsibility, and in today's video, we're gonna do a Thar durability test. Let's go. Our bloods got titanium in it. You guys, please don't try to do this at home. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Anyone ready?
Ready.
So guys, this is our brand new Thar, and on this side is a 200 feet deep Ravi. And now what we want to see is if we push this Thar down, will it survive?
Bro, we don't have to push it down. We just have to do a durability test.
What about that script?
That's of a different video.
Couldn't you have told me before?
Guys, stand back.
Stop this now. Are these people stupid? Who closes the door like this? Guys, you also feel bad, right? When somebody closes the door of your car like this? I mean, like this, they just do like this. Feels bad, right? So let's do a durability test of the door first. Guys, the door should be closed like this. Not like this. Come here. Did you understand now how to close the door?
Like this?
You understood how to close the door?
Yes.
You idiot! Guys, the door is really strong. After all our tests, it's still okay. So the door has passed the test. Guys, let's check the seat now. Pass. The seat has also passed the test. Steering test now. Let's test the handbrake. Very strong. This is also strong. Everything is very durable.
Bro, if you're done joking around, let's do a mud test.
A mud test?
Yes.
Okay, stand back. We'll do that also.
Suspension test.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You.
And now we're gonna do a Thar off-roading test. Guys, let's spend. I have no idea. The rest you see for yourself. I'll show you the Thar. So, Belbir ji. So guys, we have done an off-road test and you can see, oh man, what happened to the bonnet, guys? I think it's sick. Check, Vikram. Oh, I see.
The tire.
So what's happened is the tire is broken.
Yes.
So guys, as you can see here, the tire is broken. Look here. I don't know what is wrong. It has fallen sick.
Fever.
Tire's got fever.
I flew.
I flew. Guys, anyway, it has passed the test, but
Surprise! Surprise!
surprise, guys, surprise. Is it the dash? What broke?
No, it's the tire. Tire.
Look, it's completely broken from here. Let's get it repaired and then we will continue the test.
2000 שנה מאוחר יותר.
Guys, this tire is completely gone. Now we'll have to put a brand new one. Shall we change it? This is a complete goner. Tire is broken! Tire is broken!
The tire got blasted like anything.
Our tire is gone! We tested the steering while car was standing. We did not test it while driving. Like right now, durability
You
test.
mean like zigzag?
Yeah, shall we try it?
Oh, stop. Bro, it will come out like in the movies. It will come in your hand like this.
But why is this dancing? Guys, now brace yourself because this might hurt you right here. Badly. Now let's see how durable Thar's paint and its body is. Oh, this place is full of thorns.
We got a million scratches for sure. Wow, now we are stuck.
No.
No, we are stuck. Not possible. Oh my god, who drives like this?
We do, bro. Guys, what do you think? Will our Thar go through here? Let's see. Bring it on. Oh my god.
Retake.
Come fast! Guys, look here, the radiator has busted. Radiator is gone. Guys, fast, take it to the hospital. Fast, go. Guys, this is an emergency. The Thar is in an emergency situation. Come. Come on, fast. Give me my stethoscope, my coat. Give it to me. Give it fast. Hurry up. Let's do the checking. Give it. Gloves. And hold this. Fast. What are you doing? Stand back. Let it breathe.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है मुझे अपने घर जाना है मुझे अपने घर जाना है मुझे घर जाना है
Sorry guys, Thar is no more. Wait, I hear something. Let it breathe. Do chest compressions. Keep going, chest compressions.
Is it breathing?
Yeah, I can hear a heartbeat. Yeah, it will be safe. Bring the stretcher. Fast. Bring the stretcher. We can save it. Guys, condition is critical, but there's still hope.
Sir, we will check.
Please do check, and it should be a good doctor.
Is there a heartbeat?
good heartbeat. You have a 500 beats per minute heartbeat. Now you show me. Wow. All good, all good. Guys, treatment is going on. It's a big hospital. We don't know what will happen.
Bro, Thar is out of danger.
Out of danger? Thank God we are out of danger. You're absolutely sure, bro? Operation is
bro,
over?
I'm sure.
Operation is over?
Yeah, it's over.
Thank you, Lord, for everything.
And the doctor said
When will he get discharged?
in some time after we get the bandages and all, then discharge.
You turn off the camera, man.
I'm freezing. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Guys, now our Thar is completely fine and it's been discharged. Huh?
Everything is fine.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Let's go.
Where to?
Let's go.
We just got back from the hospital.
So everything is okay, right?
Let's go!
Oh, open up, open up. Open the door, open the door. Give me some space. Open. Let's go.
Oh, wait for me, wait for me.
Oh, are you gone nuts? So guys, who said that Thar can fit only 4 people? Oi, get out. Come out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8.
7, 8, 9. Oh, you were also inside. Hey, guys, he was also inside. So guys, 10 people can fit in a Thar and then myself. Who said only 4? Thar can fit 11 people very easily. Vikram,
Yes.
will our Thar run in this water or not?
No idea.
No idea? Let's get some idea. So guys, this lake now has filled up a lot and compared to the last videos, the water level has risen a lot.
Oh, brother.
Woohoo!
The backside has risen up. The backside is floating.
Oh, wind the windows down. We won't be able to get out. Oh, the backside has gone up. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out fast. Guys, I think we went in a little deep. Before our bro inside drowns, let me get out. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, what are you doing? You want to kill yourself? Guys, we just got back from the hospital. Now it's full of water. Look, neck deep in water. Look, what will I do now? What will I do? What will I do? Die? It's not breathing. It's not breathing. Push, push. Its face is underwater and it can't breathe. It's not getting air. We gave it glucose. We got an operation done. Get it out!
Doctor said to rest for some days.
But you don't listen. You didn't give it time to rest. Guys, help is here. Help! Help!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
We are saved. It's saved. Life saved finally. Woo! Welcome back to ground, dear. This is the river flowing from Thar. Have you seen this before? Thar river. There is one here and there is one over there. Show us, bro. Guys, now I have no idea if it is unconscious or drowned and completely dead. No idea. So we will have to check this. Breathe, 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 breathe.
Come on, start it. Come on, start.
Come on, come
Try
on.
starting.
Start. Will it start?
Yeah, it'll start.
Guys, stop. That is enough.
Try starting it.
You want to kill it completely? Oh, the meter is on.
Oh, the light is turned on.
Meter is working. The engine sign has come. Lock and many other signs have come. Many of them. Let's try starting it. Oh, get away from the front.